Power BI versus Excel. Two of the most essential data analysis tools in the industry. In this video, we'll be comparing Power BI and Excel, discussing their features and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. Let's begin with Power BI. Power BI is a robust business analytics platform. It enables users to visualize and share insights from their data. With Power BI, you can create interactive dashboards and reports with ease. Its intuitive interface allows users to connect to various data sources and transform raw data into meaningful insights. Now, let's talk about Excel. Excel is a versatile spreadsheet tool widely used for data analysis, calculation, and visualization in various fields, including marketing, finance, sales, and many others. In Excel, users can perform complex calculations, organize data, and create basic visualization using charts and graphs. Now, let's take a closer look at the key differences between Excel and Power BI. Excel is ideal for creating reports in tabular format, making it a go-to tool for structured data analysis. It allows users to display duplicate tables, providing flexibility in data presentation. However, Excel reports tend to be simpler and less visually appealing compared to Power BI. With limited advanced cross-chart filtering capabilities, Excel may not offer the depth of analysis required for complex datasets. While Excel boasts advanced chart creation functions, these cannot be connected directly to data models. Data in Excel doesn't update automatically, and reports are limited to a specific number of users. Excel is more suitable for simpler data models, and it's a traditional spreadsheet tool with extensive data manipulation features. On the other hand, Power BI excels in creating visually stunning, customized, and interactive reports. It does not support displaying duplicate tables, maintaining data integrity and clarity. Power BI offers advanced cross-chart filtering capabilities, making it optimal for creating dynamic dashboards and exploring data. It is designed for creating dashboards, alerts, and KPIs with superior visualization options compared to Excel. Data in Power BI updates automatically, and reports can be accessed by a large number of users regardless of expertise. Power BI is ideal for building complex data models easily, and it is considered an advanced data analysis tool. In summary, while Excel is a versatile spreadsheet tool suited for structured data analysis, Power BI is the advanced version optimized for creating visually appealing reports, handling large datasets, and performing complex data analysis tasks. While Excel and Power BI each have their strengths, you don't have to choose between them. In fact, leveraging both tools together can provide the best of both worlds. You can use Excel for its familiar spreadsheet functionalities and basic data analysis tasks, while utilizing Power BI for more advanced data visualization, large dataset handling, and complex analytics. If you're currently utilizing Oracle for your data management needs, our solution could revolutionize your workflow. Tired of spending countless hours transferring data from Oracle to Power BI? Struggling with cumbersome exports and lengthy SQL queries? Introducing BI Connector, your ultimate Oracle data integration solution. With BI Connector, you can seamlessly connect Power BI to Oracle databases, including OPIE, OTBI, OAC, OAS, and Oracle Fusion Analytics in just minutes. Say goodbye to manual data transfers and complex SQL queries. BI Connector streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on analyzing your data rather than managing it. Experience the power of BI Connector for yourself with our 30-day free trial. Ready to supercharge your data analytics? Click on the link in the description below to learn more. Thank you for watching.